Hey everyone, we're gonna do a little experiment here. I have two cats named Bettina and Twinkle, and this is their treat bowl. And usually if you shake this, they'll come running. We're gonna see how long it takes once I shake it to see if they'll come down, considering if they're probably not hiding in my mother's room, so it's late. Alright, here we go. Keep track of time, I will. I'm gonna shake this and they'll start coming. And here comes customer number one. There's Bettina, the old cat. I think it was about 4 or 5 seconds. Here. She wants to eat. How are you doing, Bettina? Hey, how are you doing? Here, come here. You gonna beg? Come on. Come on. Come on. You're stubborn. See if I can get the other one. Here. Here's Bettina. Hey, Bettina. What's up? You want more, don't you? You're silly. What are you up to? No, you don't get any. Well, here, I'll give you one more. I'll give you one more. Because you're being good. You're being very photogenic. Now, you got beg for this one, Bettina. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. She's nice. Got munchy, munchy, munchy. How about we play with some string? You wanna play with string? Here, come on. Here. I'm gonna find your brush. Here's your brush. We're gonna brush you. Uh-oh, look at her. She wants brushed. Come on. There you go. Aren't you a nice kitty? You're spoiled with that. Well, come on. What do you see? See something, Bettina? Come on. What do you see? You don't want brushed? Ah, there you go. You're a good kitty. I don't know where the other one is. Twinkle. The polydactyl chartreuse kitty. Bettina's a mutt. We don't know what she is, but if you ever want to see a really nice looking cat with fur like a stuffed animal, this is it. See, she loves being brushed. So, I'm gonna brush her. Give her a little look at that face. Hey, Bettina, look up here. Look up here. Come on. There you go. You're a nice kitty, aren't you? It's friendly, huh? You don't say anything, do you? Usually pretty chipper, aren't you? How do you like that? I don't know what kind of breed Bettina is. Maybe some of you can help me out. Excuse me. Look at that face. How about I give you one more treat? You gotta smile for me, though. Oh, she heard that. Nope. She's out of here. Alright. See you later, Bettina. Or how about this? Well, I'll give you one more. You gotta come and you gotta sit down real nice for the camera. Alright, ready? Come on. Come here. Come on. Hey, Bettina, come here. Alright, ready? Come on, you can do better than that. Come on. There you go. Munchy, munchy. Alright, Bettina, bye-bye. You want to see the camera, don't you? Oh, man. You can lick the fingers. She's like looking at this camera and she's saying, she's like, oh, what is this? Hey, Bettina. Bettina. Meow. Meow. She's only like 7 pounds. She's like really small. There. Size. You want to make a little size comparison. I'm gonna look at this. That's a face. It's $1 million. Hey, Bettina, look up here. Come on, look up here. There you go. Look at that face. Alright, we gotta go, otherwise this video is not gonna fit on YouTube. This is an HD. There you go. Look at that. Now isn't that just the dearest face? Hey, Bettina. 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 Where's Twinkle? Where's Twinkle? She's sitting here like staring at me. Alright. We're gonna go. How about that? Alright. See you later, Bettina. She didn't say a single thing the whole time. Alright.